Hey guys, today we're fixing an oil leak on a 2008 Chevy Equinox 3.4 liter. This is a common problem with these where this gasket just wears out and goes bad. And this is where the oil filter is. So you got when you do your oil change, you take your oil filter off, and then it's just 3 bolts that hold this casing up there, and take the old gasket off, clean it with some brake parts cleaner. Don't use a wire brush on this, just use a rag because you don't want to ruin that surface. And then you just put your new gasket on there and it'll line up just like that, and you don't have to put anything else, just the gasket, and it will take care of your leak, or at least one of them. All right, guys.